Nova. Yeah.
Now this one is more so follow what you're seeing. And pick up the bass and 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and so I can get that. See what you're seeing. Do what you're saying. Start to swap the shoulder. Oh, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and push, push, push. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mind your feet, mind your feet. And up, 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 and up. So push. Pay attention first, you got it. Look at what's going on first. See what's happening. Then follow suit. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. One more time. Slow down. We'll get the last combination for this right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You're going to push this arm that's here down. You're going to push this out. Literally pushing it out. So keep that position. Do not move out of it. Get in that position so y'all can see what y'all created. These types of movements consist of more muscle and brain activity and energy and cardio.
Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time, let me see it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the world? Hey. Everybody had their own boxes, but it was boxes. It was still boxes. Starting point, last time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. Give another round of applause. Come on, get it, hey.
I got shoes over here. They're not there yet. We're just is that just because it's your first day at something doesn't mean that you can't be good at it in time. So that means if something is a challenge, so we call it, we don't say it's hard, it's a challenge. When you defeat that challenge, it becomes easy, and then you go after the next challenge. So, with that being said, everything you've learned here we go. Everything has been taught here today. You know you've learned something, you got better as you kept trying, right? All right, so we're going to just start with some basics and tasks. Come on the bars, and we're going to learn a couple of things. First, in fact, I'm going to put on some music in a second. We're going to do these dillies. Just your heels on the floor. Just your heels on the floor, like that. Yeah, there you go. Okay, stop right there. Now, remember a moment ago I told you one at a time. So we're going to do the same thing going across the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I couldn't get away from teaching music because that's what I do with my feet. Anyway.